guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of drugstore makeup. I don't have really a set plan, so we're just going to play around and see what happens. But I will be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer today because my face feels a little bit dry. I used a new moisturizer the other day and I don't think it's for my skin, but that's okay. Alright, we got that all settled in. Alright, now I'm going to go in with my new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Porcelain. Alright, what's that? Alright, I'm going to go in with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. And this is in the shade Alabaster. I'm kind of nervous about this one because I kind of tested it on my skin a little bit. And I'm not sure. It looks like it might have too yellow of an undertone for me. And that's what I'm scared of. But good thing is I bought it at Ulta, so if it doesn't work out, I can fix it. I don't know. Powder. I'm doing the Coty Airspun. Now we'll let that sit, and I will start with my eyebrows. Alright, I'll be using the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Brown. The only real complaint I kind of have about this is while I love the shape of the tip of the pencil, I wish it was a little bit skinnier. Other than that, I like it. And especially since I don't need a lot of help with my brows, they're already real full. Because as a teenager, I was always so scared to pluck them. And then whenever I was, I want to say like 15 maybe, I seen an article about the Olsen twins and how they were bringing thick eyebrows back into style. And at the time, I mean, it wasn't really catching on. It caught on now. Oh, you guys know what's exciting? So, for the past year, me, my fiancé, and my kids have been living in my sister's house. Well, we moved here because we came down for my niece's wedding and she decided, or well, my family had been trying to convince me to move here for years. Well, whenever we came down for my niece's wedding, they talked to Jeremy, my fiancé, and convinced them. Well, they promised us a house and all this other stuff. Well, the house was here. It just needed fixed. And we should have it fixed by the end of the month. That is what is exciting. I'm using the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer. I've never used it, so... Alright. Eyes are primed. Alright. I have 2 Wet n Wild eyeshadow palettes. Both of them are the All Natural. This one is Nude Awakening, and this one is Bare Necessities. I'm probably going to do a little mix of both. I'm not quite sure what shades I'm going to use right now, but make it work. Does anyone ever actually use these? Like, mine have stuff on them from my kids. So, I don't think I've ever actually seen someone use them. The thing that kind of sucks is there's no shade names. So I'll just have to tell you what the number is for the shade I'm working on and what palette it's out of. Start with this brush. Because I like this brush. Okay. For my all over shade, I'll just go with the first shade out of the Nude Awakening. Now for my crease, I think I might go in with this kind of darker cherry type color. Plum maybe, cranberry, I don't know. What we're gonna see. This blends really easily, so that's a plus. Call that good on the crease. Do a couple of different colors, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna go with this kind of coppery shade right here in the Nude Awakening palette. I guess all I've used right now is the Nude Awakening palette, right? What's that? It's actually really pretty. I like that a lot. Alright. I really do. Alright. Put that down for now, and now I'm going to go in with this gold shade. Let me grab a different brush. Just a little rounded brush. Use the Hard Candy setting spray for it. Putting this right in the middle of my lid. Kind of a halo eye, I suppose. Should we go in with my new pigment that I got, since it's gold? The Shade Pop Quiz in NYX Foil Play Cream Pigments. Glitter all over me with this, which is kind of sucky, but alright. let me take off this bake real quick. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush. I'm going to go back in with the copper shade and run it on the lower lash line. I'm just going to dip in a little bit to the cranberry-ish color again. And run it just slightly along there too. Alright. Now with the same pencil brush, I will do, I'm going to do this shade in the Nude Awakening palette as my highlight. And right in the inner corner. Alright. That's that. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I'm going to go do this off camera and I will be right back. Alright, got that on. And I think I'll do a white underline again. Just because I like doing it. Makes your eyes look bigger. And this was just the Ulta mechanical liner, or automatic eyeliner in matte white. Curl my lashes. Alright. I'm going to put on some Revlon Volumazing mascara, and then I'm going to pop on some lashes off camera, or attempt to. Lashes are on, I think. Contour. This is the Maybelline Master Contour Stick. I'm just doing a light contour. Blend this out. I will be using the blush from the CoverGirl's Peach Punch collection. Palette, whatever. So good. And I'm going to go in with just a little bit of bronzer. For my highlight, I'm going to be using the Born to Glow liquid highlighter. And I'm just going to put a couple of drops on my finger. Alright, I'm just going to go back over that with the highlighter from the Peach Punch. Now I'm just going to do it. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in Rebel Rose. And there's that. do my hair and I'll be back.
Mommy's doing her hair, and yeah. And, we're doing it right now. Hi guys.
Alright guys, my hair and makeup's done. I have nowhere to go today, but I like this drugstore makeup look so much that I might find somewhere to go just to go show it off. I used a lot of NYX products, some Maybelline products, but everything that I used will be listed in the description box below. But I will be back in the next video. If there's anything you would like to see from me in the future, leave it in the comment section below. I will reply. I'll like it. All that good stuff. Until next time, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.